nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will cook this tasty and healthy spicy asparagus. This is a low-carb meal that will surely fill our tummy. So now, let's begin. Here are the ingredients that we need. First, let's add the butter to our preheated frying pan. Then, sauté the garlic. Once the garlic turns golden brown, add the asparagus and add more butter. Followed by salt and pepper. Then, sauté it for 1 to 2 minutes. Lastly, add some chili paste and sauté it again for another 3 to 5 minutes. And we're done. Let's now transfer it to our plate. We can now enjoy this healthy and super tasty meal. You gotta have to try it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you liked this video.